Nobody reminded me. Recording. Now I have. Then outcomes. What do you mean by outcomes? The result. The result. Okay. So how many results you will get? That many outcomes. Okay. So in a single throw of coin, how many results you can get? Two results you can get. Either head or tail. So there are two outcomes. There are two outcomes. Then favorable outcomes. Favorable outcome, what is that? We say that three coins are tossed. Three coins are tossed. Okay. This is the experiment. And the event is getting at least two heads. Okay, getting at least two heads. Now tell me, if three coins are tossed, how many outcomes you will get?
6, sir.
6.
Six? No. See, let me write it. H. Okay, all the three can show H. Or H,
8 outcomes, sir.
H, T. Okay, T, H. T H H H T H T H T 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and another one here HST HTT TTT TTT TTT. So when three coins are tossed, total number of outcome is 8. Okay, total number of outcomes are 8. And there is a formula. There is a formula for that. If 4 coins are tossed or 5 coins are tossed, then what are the total number of outcomes? Okay, that is 2 to the power of n. Okay, if 3 coins are tossed, or say same meaning, or a coin is tossed thrice. Okay, three coins are tossed at once, or one coin is tossed twice. Same meaning. Okay, so in both the cases, the total number of outcomes is 2 to the power of n. Three coins or 3 times 2 to the power of 3, 8. 5 coins are tossed, 2 to the power of 5, 32. Okay, like that you have to find out what are the possible outcomes, total number of outcomes. That is over. Got it? Now, coming over to our event. This is our event. This is our event. That getting at least two heads. Getting at least two heads. Then, which will come? Tell me. Out of this H. Okay. At least two heads means what? Minimum two. You may get more than two also. At most two means maximum two. At least two means minimum two heads. So more than two heads also can be. This can be HHT. HTT cannot be because only one head is there. TTH, THH,
TH.
then HTH,
HTH.
bus. This much you know. As of this event, getting at least two heads. So these are the outcomes. Only for pi. I will tell you for dice what you have to do. This is only for pi. Now, so Okay. Now, total 8 comes. Total number of outcomes 8. But as for the event, how many outcomes? 4 outcomes there are there. That means these 4 outcomes are favorable to the event. Favorable to the event. As for the event, these are the outcomes. So these outcomes are called as favorable outcomes. Favorable outcomes. Understood? Favorable outcomes means what is the question? What is the event given? That you see. Okay. As for the event, what are the outcomes? That called as favorable outcome. And total number of possibilities, total number of outcomes. Because basing on this, now we will find the probability later on. Okay. Then comes the probability. Probability at last I will take. This is about coin I said. Now coming on to dice. Coming to dice. You might have seen a dice, and nowadays in this shutdown, lockdown, unlock, during this period, you have used this dice maximum times for playing Ludo. No, playing Ludo, you are using the dice. You will have 8 faces. No? 23, 23 fool are there. 23 foolish people are there. When I am saying that 80 faces, all are silent.
6 faces.
Okay, then 6 faces. So, and in 6 faces, 6 numbers will be written. This is one. Dots of numbers will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So, when a dice is rolled, okay, rolled. What are the outcomes? How many outcomes you will get?
6 outcomes.
Outcomes.
6 outcomes.
6 outcomes. And those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total number of outcomes 6. If 2 dice are rolled, 2 dice are rolled, then what are the possible outcomes?
36 outcomes.
12.
36
12
outcomes.
outcomes.
See, first 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Means if first dice 1, second dice 1, first dice 1, second dice 2, first dice 1, second dice 3. Like this 6 combinations you will get. Similarly, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, like this. And for 6 numbers, like this 6. So 6 into 6, 36.
36 outcomes.
Yes. There are 36 outcomes. So, in case of dice, how you find out? That is 6 to the power of n. Total number of outcomes is 6 to the power of n. 2 dice are rolled. So, 6 to the power of 2, that is 36. 3 dice, 6 to the power of 3, 260. Got it? For coin it is 2 to the power of n, and for dice it is 6 to the power of n. Okay. Here also, favorable outcomes. Favorable outcomes means based upon the experiment.
Given event.
Okay, based upon the experiment. For example, I may take an event that is getting an even number. Getting an even number. Now tell me, so what are the favorable outcomes? What are the probable outcomes? If this is the event, then what are the probable outcomes? 2, 4,
1, 2.
and 6. Okay. Getting an even number. Okay. So there are 3 even numbers, right? 2, 4, 6. So this is a favorable outcome. Suppose 2 dice are rolled. 2 dice are rolled. And the event is sum of the numbers is 8. Okay, 2 dice are rolled. So the numbers shown by 2 dice, it will add, it should become 8. Then what will be the possible outcomes?
2, 6, 3, 5, 4, 4,
2, 6. Okay. Then
3, 5,
5, 4,
4, 4,
4. Then this was only
5, 3, sir.
5,
6,
3,
2, 5,
5,
3.
3, sir.
6,
6, 2,
2.
6.
6 2.
Okay.
So,
Don't think that 2, 6 and 6 to both are same. No. 2, 6 means first dice shows 2. Here first dice shows 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 possible, favorable outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes is 5. Number of total outcomes is 36. Okay, clear about dice and coin? Okay, then tomorrow I will tell about cards. I'll bring, today I don't have that playing cards. I'll bring one playing card and I will tell you. Okay, it's already 9:30. Okay, thank you.
thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Namaskar, sir.
Namaskar.